A driver allegedly speeding through this Palm Coast construction zone Monday night got sheriff's deputies' attention. And then they say what they found in and out of that vehicle.
Oh, gun, mag. Here's a mag. Yep, there's a mag right there.
Investigators say they finally got the suspect, 24-year-old Larez McKinney, to pull over after witnessing him throw something from the car. A loaded magazine for a gun, though a weapon itself wasn't recovered.
We knew he had a gun somewhere. Maybe that was thrown out and that was never found, and the magazine just came loose.
McKinney was allegedly driving through a construction zone at twice the posted speed limit, then refused to stop for a deputy.
Stop the vehicle!
When the suspect was detained, deputies say they found the magazine he allegedly threw, another in the car, along with marijuana residue, and most concerning of all, a 2-year-old child asleep in the front passenger seat. The little girl was not in a child restraint seat.
You gonna do all this with your little kid in the front, man?
Investigators say McKinney also had a paper shooting target in the car with bullet holes in it. He allegedly said what he threw out was a bottle of liquor, but deputies later say he admitted it was ammunition and that he lied because he feared going to jail. That's ultimately where he went.
You're not stopping for law enforcement. The lights are on. You know you're supposed to pull over and stop. Chose not to.
The suspect, McKinney, posted his $5,500 bond, so he did not have to make that initial court appearance. He's facing 1 felony and 2 misdemeanor charges. In Flagler County, Claire Metz, WESH 2 News.